Hi, this is Libby from AlunoTec. Here we have a 3 remote for 3 different pergola functions: lower roof, light, and the zip screen. It works, but it's the not easiest way to control your pergola. So we make it simpler with one integrated control box. Now, one remote control whole system. For the roof and lights, you can press the button you need. For the zip screen, switch the channel and you can close and open them easily. One remote, everything under control. Let's see in action. So pretty simple, right? With integrated control box, you don't have to switch different remote anymore. Much easy to use. And that's all for today. Thanks for your watching and see you next time. Bye!